Welcome everybody to the official Orange Fizzy Water tier list. Alright, so I am the official Orange Fizzy Water, as you guys know, but we have a guest star visitor right here.
Hi.
Bill, look at the camera.
Oh, hi.
Not the microphone. I got a microphone. So we have the Crush. We have the Sun's Kiss.
More Crush.
We got more Crush. We got the Fanta Izzy. This is the most expensive one somehow. We got the Diet Orange Burst HEB brand, which is a pretty popular shop
Orange Vanilla Coke.
where we live. Orange Vanilla Coke. I've tried this one before. I love it. And
Orange Soda.
the Mother Load. And look, it's called Orange Soda. So we have 7 sodas, including an extra one. And yeah, we're gonna get our cups.
It's 8.
So Bill, which one should we start on first? Which soda?
Just start with one that crushes. In case Fanta and Crush.
Guys, I don't know what's more scary, the fact that there's Angry Birds on this, or that this is Halloween edition. This was meant to be sold by Halloween.
This was made 8 years ago.
First soda. Did you guys like that epic? Alright. That epic.
Some ASMR.
Cool. Yeah, ASMR. Get that microphone in there. Alright.
Oh, okay.
You shove it in. Alright. First soda poured. Second soda. Let's just transition time. Here we go. I need wipes for an extra 2 seconds. But yeah, here we go. Do you want to taste first?
Yeah.
All right. What? Oh.
Is that a challenge? More than you can drink?
I'm kind of crying because I don't really like Orange Fizzy Water. You know, the actual liquid. Oh, I just now noticed how much sugar I'm gonna drink today. Crush. That was the first soda. Crush. How did you feel about the Crush?
It was good. It didn't have like the fizzing, bubbling that a lot of other sodas have.
Well, that's because it was left out for like 5 days, for like 4 weeks.
Well, then in that case, I'll leave out that fact. It was pretty good. You can definitely taste the
Tastes like every other orange soda. Orange soda, like every single other orange soda, they taste the exact same, except for Orange Vanilla Coke, because it has vanilla in it. I mean,
well, yeah, you tried the.
If you could give the orange Crush, what would you give it?
Out of 10?
Like from S to A to B to C to D to E to F. You're not in the frame.
I give it a C.
A C? Alright, you'll give it a C. I would also give it a C. It's kind of overrated for how everybody likes it, but I mean, then again, it is orange soda.
That's why I'm making this video, so you don't have to.
Yeah, so you guys don't have to try it all, you know? Which soda do you want to try next? We're saving this for last.
That's the Mother Load of all
Mother
sodas.
Load. Which one?
Try the Fanta.
Alright, so anything about Fanta you want to talk about?
No?
It's popular.
Yeah,
It's
one of the more popular ones.
It used to be my favorite soda, but that's because it was like one of the first sodas I've ever drank. So you ready?
Yeah.
You want to go first?
Yeah, sure.
Right. This soda has a different taste.
Well, it doesn't, but it has more. I guess it does. It has more taste to orange.
So what would you rate it? Scribble. What the heck was that?
I'm not gonna say I think the Crush was a little bit better. This one wasn't as sweet, but if you really do love the orange taste in our soda, definitely get the Fanta. But if you want more of a sweet soda, get Crush.
All right. I like this one more. You know, the Crush, I don't really like the Crush that much. But I'd probably give Fanta a C tier. Yeah, C tier. And you give it a what tier? A D tier?
A D and a half tier.
D and a half tier. Okay. Oh, okay. Which soda do you want to try next?
Do what's next in line. Vanilla Coke. The vanilla orange Coke. Orange vanilla
Orange
Coke.
vanilla Coke. I'm going to put very... I splash all over my face. I'm going to put very minimum in this one.
It doesn't look like orange soda.
It's orange vanilla Coke.
That makes more sense, I guess.
I'm only putting one can in for this because I love this one. Oh wait, not yet.
You can taste this one first.
What? All right.
Since you love it so much.
So as you can see, it's more of a Coke color. You know, it's more brown than orange.
Orange tint to it.
Orange tint. Yeah, it kind of does.
Like near the bottom.
But this is a different tasting soda. It tastes a little bit like Coke, a little bit like orange. And if you drink it by little bits, then taste the vanilla.
So you just drink it for the vanilla.
No, I don't drink it for the vanilla. I drink it like that to get like more vanilla taste. It has vanilla in its name, so you might as well have vanilla in it. You might as well try to get the vanilla part from it. Like it?
You don't like it? I don't hate it.
You don't like it? You don't hate it? What would you give it?
Honestly, I'd give it a B because I would definitely drink it more than the others.
I'm gonna give it an A. I literally went back to HEB and got another 12-pack of this, but it's not as good as the S tier. This time I'm choosing because I'm letting you choose too much. I want to save the Izzy for one of the last few, so let's go for the Diet Orange Burst, the HEB brand. Oh, Cosmo, what do you think the HEB
The
brand?
Texas brand.
The HEB brand.
HEB brand is good.
It's not wrong.
Smells like orange. Smells more like
Really?
It smells more like an orange soda. Or like it smells more like orange than most orange sodas.
Even more than the Fanta?
0 calories. And this is diet, so it may not be that good. 0 sugars. If they make this taste like orange soda, then this will probably get
An A,
A-
B tier.
P at least. Alright,
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean.
don't drink it.
You have so many reactions, like.
So at first it's sweet. It's a little bit less sweet than has that diet taste, you know. You know the diet taste, right? You had the same reaction as I did. But I mean it tastes good at the first.
It surprised me.
I'll give it a C.
I'll give it a B.
I'll give it a B.
Yeah, I mean, like. Shoot!
Oh my god! Yo!
I want some orange fizzy water.
Yeah. The one I was gonna order
Give-
online was $7.99.
Here, you take that. So, Dad, why do you look like Morty's dad?
It was. I didn't want to spend $30.
Why do you look like a goblin?
I don't have $30.
Yeah, sure.
What would you rate it?
Also, come look at this mother.
What would you rate it? What
Hold on, let
tier?
me hang this up.
From S to A to B
Dad,
to
look,
C
more
to
rubber
E
band.
to D to E to F.
Whoa. I give it a medium thumb.
But like number. I mean not number.
Half. I
Letter.
give it a 60%.
A letter.
That's like a
letter.
Mother.
You tell me what percent 60%.
That's a C.
Here's our son's. Here's our son's kiss. Here's our son's kiss. This is probably the most well-known orange soda of all time.
Are you sure?
Lots of people know this one.
I know Fanta and Crush more.
You got the Halloween edition. 2018 Halloween edition. Oh jeez, you already drank half of it. I didn't even take a sip yet.
Away from me. It tastes exactly like one of them.
When's the expiration date? You like this one?
It tastes exactly like
Fanta.
the Fanta.
So
There was no difference.
What'd you get the Fanta?
What did I give the Fanta?
I'm gonna put the cap on. Future me when editing put it as the same tier that Bill gave it for Fanta. I would give this one the same as Fanta as well. This one I've been excited about. The Izzy. This thing is
Second to last.
Overrated. Very, very overrated.
How do you know?
Because,
It could be the best soda in the world.
well, I don't know. I'm thinking this one's gonna be better because it was $4 for just 4 cans. Look at how tall they are. This also shows that they maybe. I'm drinking this from the can. Wait, no, I'm not.
Yeah, you're gonna pour all of that in that one. I'll get mine.
Looks like pee.
Like lemonade.
I don't think this is an orange fizzy water, though. I think this is more of a sparkling water.
That doesn't smell like orange. That smells like lemonade.
Tastes like pee. How do I know what that tastes like? What does it taste like?
This bottle of peanuts has a choking hazard for kids. Like, what kid's gonna choke on a peanut?
Oh, the aftertaste is horrible.
What is this? I don't think this is orange fizzy water.
I missed how.
So this thing, it looks like orange juice on the camera. But trust me, it's clear. But this thing, it deserves in the trash.
It doesn't even deserve a tier.
Yeah, it gets
Izzy, you make trash sodas.
it gets the Izzy rank. We got the mother load.
Make sure you reach 200 views. Share with your friends if you have any.
That's how you know this is the mother
That
load.
was loud.
Dude.
Look how
Whoa!
It wasn't on camera.
No. Hey, wait, no.
Let's do it some more. Do it more.
Dude. Wait, squeeze it.
I was not doing it anymore. No.
Dude, it was literally making smoke.
There was I saw a clip of it.
Dude, when you squeezed it, it made smoke. Hold. This
I
is better.
wouldn't pour a lot of that, just in case you don't like it.
All right, get ready to chug it. Wait, no. First taste test.
Whoa.
Tastes like orange soda, and that's what it's called. All right, chugging it. You
It's
ready?
super fizzy.
Chug it. Ready?
You are so bad at chugging. It is really sad.
This is gonna get a B tier. It's not as good as the orange vanilla. What do you want to give it? Give me-
Myself, I'd give
Actually,
it
never mind. I forgot you spit back in.
That's my backwash, man.
I'd give it an A tier.
But everybody, we all know who the best orange fizzy water is. This one right on my chest right now. Buy the merch, then you can have the best orange soda on your chest.
That doesn't sound good.
Little stovetop.
Oh gosh.
Don't forget
S
to
tier.
subscribe.
Ow!
I hate this skunk, now my skin is all crusty. I think that it's trench foot or cancer, yeah, must be. You sound like cluck it in the chicken coop. Circles in my bank account, licking the Fruity Loops. Gunk, but I'm still copping lunk. Straight out cafeteria, all on the shunk. I'm solitary, just like confinement. I hate my teacher for dust school assignment. Up on the plane and I fly to her house. I got the
Time to go where you belong, Izzy. What the